Well, there's Little Buck. We haven't seen Little Buck in a long time. How you doing, boy? Huh? Where's Big Guy, your buddy? We haven't seen him either lately. In fact, he hasn't even been in this area. He's been in another meadow area. Well, I think I have to move back. He's a lot better than what he was, but he's still shy. Well, God bless. God bless, Little Buck. Say hi to Big Guy when you see him.